Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a unicorn milkshake. So let's get started. To draw this yummy milkshake, let's first start by drawing 3 curves for the top of our shake. So I'm going to start right here and just go ahead and draw 1, 2, and 3. 3 curves. Now that we're about the same level, I'm going to stop and then come right here and draw a curve coming down. So it's like drawing a dome. So this is the top of our shake right here, and same thing here. Just going to draw a curve coming down. If you're more comfortable starting here and then creating this big curve, you can do that first and then put in these 3 curves as well. So just play around with it. So now that I have that, I'm going to come about right here and curve down to put in some details. And here, and I'm just going to curve it in. And same thing here. So this is like the mane of our unicorn right on top. Then, now that we're about the same level here, about right there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve all the way across. But with this curve, I'm going to make it with a bunch of small curves. So right here, it's going to start. So this is kind of like our center will be our lowest point, and then we can go back up. And there. So we have our curve. Then we're going to pop this part out. And same thing here, just pop it out. And then we're going to do the same thing, just start to curve all the way across. There. So create this little poofy part right here. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and come in about right here. And we're going to draw 2 angle lines, and we're going to start our cup. So I'm going to go ahead and just drag this angle down to say about right here. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to try my best to kind of match the other side. About right here, and then we're going to round this part off on the corners and connect it with a curve for our bottom. There. Now we have the cut part. So then let's come back up for some details. I'm going to come to the center, so it's about right here. I'm going to go up and say about right here. I'll give myself a point, round off this tip for a horn, and bring it down. And same thing here. Then I'm just going to come in here with some details, draw in some curves right about there. And then we need to put in some ears, of course, right? So about right here, I'm just going to pop in 2, well, 1 first, 1 ear, and then the inside. And same thing on the other side. So about right here and here. So going to drag this across so that I'm approximately the same height, and bring it down. There, so the ears in. Then now let's finally bring this unicorn to life. Unicorn milkshake, that is. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw this big happy eye curve. So about right here, draw a big curve, and I'll thicken it up. And then right here, just flick in 2 lashes. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Do the same thing. There. And let's come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then in between, that'd be cute to just add this little wobbly mouth or a unicorn. There. And then the last thing we need to do here is to add in some of this drizzle here. So I really hope you have fun drawing this and especially coloring it, to add in all your unicorn colors or any toppings or anything you want to put on this. And just finish it off. And of course we need to add a heart right here to make this my Just So Cute unicorn milkshake drink. I really hope you love it and that it brought a smile to your day and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.